So here we are at Bombura Ella Waterfall. I'm still pronouncing it wrong. It's quite beautiful here. I'm just on a wide lens so you get an idea of the perspective. But it's beautiful. It started drizzling here a bit. And look over here. What a beautiful environment. I mean, these people over here have been taking photographs. I just zoom in. They've been taking photographs and videos of this landscape. It's just stunning, with the waterfall in the background. So there's loads of steps coming up here, and it started to drizzle or rain a bit. Oh my god, is it worth coming here? I really liked it. I wish I'd brought some swimming trunks and a towel with me, but what a fantastic place. Here we are. Only Sri Lankans can cross this type of terrain in flip-flops. Some skill.